But it's no problem because here on the island we speak 5 languages. We speak English, Spanish, Dutch. Our language is Papiamento, and also some people who speak Spanish, but I can speak only 4 idiomas. Acá en la isla hablamos como 5 idiomas. Hablamos español, inglés, holandés, nuestro idioma nacional que es el papiamento, y hay algunas personas que hablan francés, pero yo todavía solo 4, pero ok. Acabamos de salir donde está su barco. We are just come out while your ship is standing. It's the mega pier. It's a mega pier. Now we go to pass now near the brand new hotel. This is the Renaissance Hotel. Ahora vamos a pasar al lado del hotel que es casi nuevo, que es el hotel Renaissance. In this hotel you go to get a nice casino under the name of Carnival Casino. Also they have a famous coffee shop, that is the Starbucks. Yes, and also they have their own cinema inside. Acá en este hotel ellos tienen su mismo casino debajo del nombre del Carnival Casino. Tienen el famoso cafetaria que es Starbucks, y también tiene su propio cine que es la cinema. At your left you go to see these 3 buildings. Están viendo los 3 edificios. It's where we arrange the pensioner for the people who is over the 60. First was a gentleman who was gathered. Now is the gentleman and the lady together, and it is 60. I think it is on the other side. Verified? No? Okay. Normally it was first the gentleman who gathered. Now the gentleman and the lady gathered, and it is $850 per person. Normalmente era que el hombre y la mujer, era el hombre primero que estaba cobrando el pensión, pero ahora el hombre y la mujer están cobrándolo, y es $850 por cada uno al fin de mes. At your left you go to see this gray building. This building is where we pay our electricity, our bill, and water that we use at home. Actually, I'm at my right, sorry. And at your left, all the colonial style building that you see, the blue one is one of the police station. The blue-green building that you see there is the police station from this area. And right here we go to turn. Here you go to see the fort. This fort is the Reform Village. When you come back end of your tour, you must cross in this fort to go back to your ship if you want to go to the downtown. If you want to go back to your ship, it's no problem, we can bring you back to your ship. Okay? Si al final del tour, si van a hacer compras, pues tienen que pasar dentro de la fortaleza para ir a su barco. No es problema si usted no quiere ir a compras. Si tiene que ir directamente a su barco, nos vamos a enviar directo a su barco. The first yellow building that you see at your left, at your right, sorry, is the Plaza Hotel, and the second one is the Government Palace. At the week, you can get the government there. It will be from 7 o'clock in the morning till 4:30, and in the weekend it will be in the country house. And one of the famous bridge that we have is the Swimming Lady. Now it will be going close, so you can cross over, go to the northern side of the town. Our town is divided in 2 sides. The otra banda side where we are now, and the other side is the Punda side. This bridge is built in one 188. Have built it. They have renewed it 2 times so that it can be still swimming in our harbor. The name of our harbor is the St. Anna Bay. Okay, when you go to the downtown, if the bridge is open, it's no problem. You can take one of the blue ferries that you see here. It's free of charge. You can take one of them to cross over the harbor to come back to the other side. Okay? You cannot be afraid that you cannot be back to the other side of the town. With the ferries, it's free of charge. You can take them. Okay? And this bridge is open more than 30 times per day, because we will have a very wide and deep harbor that we get a lot of cruise ships and tankers inside our harbor. This street that we are now is one of the streets where first the Jewish people was living. If you see the houses, the model of the houses, right here when we go to turn, you go to see they have the different model. All the organizers of those houses is in the colonial style, and most of them is protected by the UNESCO. And last month we have got a promote from UNESCO that we are one of the beautiful color town in the Caribbean. Okay? And most of those houses, some of them is the people is living in, but most of them is offices and lawyers' offices. And when you buy one of those houses, you can change only the color of those houses. You cannot change the model because it is protected by the UNESCO. Casi todo que tiene ese modelo no se puede cambiar el modelo, porque mira sobre la tiene la estrella de esta protección.
Es un monumento nacional.
Sí, muchos de ellos se van aquí. Right here we go to cross near the oil refinery of Curacao, where we buy the crude oil from Venezuela. We refine it with here. We will send it back to Venezuela so we will buy it from Venezuela so we can use it here. That's why the fountain we will pay $5 per gallon here and $3 per liter.
Así es la gasolina.
Así es la gasolina aquí. Por litro tenemos que pagar $3 por...
¿Y este vehículo es diésel?
5. No. As you left, you can see the oil refinery. El diésel más caro. El diésel es basically.
Y en Puerto Rico la gasolina es cara.
Casi nosotros no. Uno tiene el carro no para la boniteza, pero más para la necesidad. Not for the fun. If you have a car here, it's for the use that you're doing with it. You have a nice view here over the roofs of the buildings, and you can see also your ship standing. But when we turn, you can go to make nice pictures from the whole side of our town. Right here we go up over the highest bridge we have under the name of the Queen Juliana Bridge. This bridge is 188 feet over the sea. resort also because we can get every day more than 10 or more ships inside. Why? Because we have a very wide and deep harbor. Okay. Also, here on the island, right here, I'm going to show you the embassy of the United States. We go to cross in front of the, and to left, right, we go to cross right in the front of the embassy of the United States. And I'm going to learn you also a little bit words in Papiamento. So when you be back in your island, you can tell them that you have learned a little bit of Papiamento. Where tomorrow you was just us at Aruba or Monero? Yesterday you was at Aruba. They didn't learn you a little bit of Mashadam. And only the Dushi. Yeah, that's the famous words. Mashadam and Dushi. Dushi is delicious. It's your sweetheart. It's your honey. Your sweetie. Thank you. Gracias. Y también hay, also you can, they can tell you when you taste a good meal or good cocktail, you can tell the waiter that the cocktail or the meal that you have tasted is douche. Okay. Also something sweet, candy, it's also douche. So sweet, you also douche. Okay, that's some words. Also.